So the inspiration behind my 1969 Ford Bronco was something that my family could enjoy. You know, when my wife and I started talking about building this truck, we wanted something that was going to represent our family. And for us, that's what the Bronco is. You know, we built this truck with little touches of our personality, whether it be the heritage blue paint color or, you know, the red, white, and blue interior, or whatever it is. We wanted to build it to make it part of the experience, and we wanted to make it part of the lifestyle and part of the experience of our kids' childhood. And that Bronco is always a part of the memory, and it's something that, you know, when you think of a family heirloom, it's hard because you can't just go buy something with the idea of this is something I'm going to pass down for generation after generation after generation. And for me, you know, with cars being such an important part of my life, but in our family it's the Bronco. And we wanna sprinkle it into those special moments where, you know, we're creating family memories, and part of that memory and part of the experience, part of that moment is the Bronco.